Sex is one of the most powerful biological experiences humans can have, not because it's pleasurable, but because it triggers a cascade of physical, hormonal, and neurological changes that affect nearly every system in your body. For millions of years, sex has shaped human evolution, bonded partners, reduced stress, boosted immunity, and even protected the heart. But in the modern world, we rarely talk about sex as a health event. We talk about it as entertainment, as taboo, as something private and awkward. Yet biologically, sex is closer to a full-body workout, a neurochemical reset, and a relationship-strengthening ritual than anything else. So today we're going to explore what sex actually does to your body, from your brain to your heart, to your immune system, to your long-term health, and why this ancient biological act is still one of the most powerful tools for human well-being. The biological switch. Sex begins long before physical contact. It starts in the brain. When you feel attraction, affection, or connection, your brain activates a network of regions responsible for motivation, reward, and bonding. Dopamine rises, the same chemical that drives curiosity, learning, and ambition. This isn't about pleasure. It's about focus. Your brain becomes more attentive, more present, more engaged. At the same time, your hypothalamus signals your endocrine system to release hormones that prepare the body for physical closeness. Heart rate increases, breathing deepens, blood vessels dilate, muscles warm. This is not unlike the beginning of exercise, a coordinated shift toward activation. But unlike exercise, sex also activates the bonding system. Oxytocin, often called the connection hormone, begins to rise. Oxytocin strengthens trust, reduces fear, and increases feelings of safety. This combination, dopamine for motivation, oxytocin for bonding, creates one of the most powerful emotional states humans can experience. A state where the brain says, this person matters. Stay close. Pay attention. The heart and circulation boost. As sex progresses, the cardiovascular system shifts into high gear. Heart rate increases to levels similar to light or moderate exercise. Blood flow improves, blood vessels expand, circulation increases throughout the body. This has several benefits. It strengthens the heart muscle. It improves vascular flexibility. It increases oxygen delivery. It supports metabolic health. It burns calories. It trains the cardiovascular system. In short, controlled bursts. For people who engage in sex regularly, these repeated cardiovascular activations can contribute to better long-term heart health. Sex is not a replacement for exercise, but it is a biological workout that activates similar systems. The hormonal symphony. Sex triggers one of the most complex hormonal events in the human body. During arousal and physical closeness, the body releases dopamine for motivation, reward. Oxytocin, for bonding, trust, emotional safety. Endorphins for natural pain relief. Prolactin for relaxation and satisfaction. Testosterone for energy, confidence, libido. Estrogen for mood stability, tissue health. Adrenaline for activation and excitement. This hormonal cocktail has profound effects. 1. Reduced stress. Oxytocin and endorphins lower cortisol, the stress hormone. This is why sex can feel calming, grounding, and emotionally stabilizing. 2. Improved mood. Dopamine and serotonin rise, creating feelings of happiness, connection, and emotional clarity. 3. Pain relief. Endorphins reduce physical discomfort, including headaches, muscle tension, and menstrual cramps. 4. Better sleep. Prolactin and oxytocin promote relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. 5. Hormonal balance. Regular sexual activity can support healthy testosterone and estrogen levels, which influence mood, energy, and metabolism. Sex is not just an emotional experience. It is a hormonal reset button. The immune system boost. One of the most surprising benefits of sex is its impact on immunity. Studies show that people who engage in sex 1 to 2 times per week have higher levels of immunoglobulin A, IgA, an antibody that protects against infections. IgA is the body's first line of defense against viruses and bacteria. Sex also increases circulation, which helps immune cells move more efficiently through the bloodstream. And because sex reduces stress, it indirectly strengthens immunity, since chronic stress is one of the biggest immune suppressors. In short, sex helps your body defend itself. The brain upgrade. Sex affects the brain in ways that go far beyond pleasure. 1. Better memory. Oxytocin and dopamine improve communication between the hippocampus and prefrontal cortex, regions responsible for memory and decision-making. 2. Increased neuroplasticity. Sexual activity increases neurogenesis, the creation of new neurons, especially in the hippocampus. 3. Improved emotional regulation. Oxytocin reduces activity in the amygdala, the brain's fear center, making it easier to manage stress and anxiety. 4. Stronger bonding. Sex strengthens pair bonding by reinforcing trust circuits in the brain. This is not just emotional, it is biological. Humans are wired to form deep connections through physical intimacy, the relationship effect. Sex is not only a biological event, it is a relational one. Healthy sexual activity can strengthen emotional connection, improve communication, reduce conflict, increase trust, deepen commitment, enhance empathy, build long-term relationship stability. Oxytocin plays a major role here. It increases feelings of closeness, reduces defensiveness, and makes partners more attuned to each other. Sex is one of the most powerful bonding mechanisms humans have ever evolved. The physical benefits. Beyond hormones and emotions, sex has direct physical effects. 1. Better pelvic health. Sex activates pelvic floor muscles, which support bladder control, core stability, and reproductive health. 2. Improved sleep. The hormonal shift after sex helps the body transition into rest mode. 3. Reduced pain. Endorphins and oxytocin reduce muscle tension and discomfort. 4. Increased flexibility and mobility. Sex involves movement, stretching, and dynamic muscle activation. 5. Enhanced skin health. Improved circulation delivers nutrients to the skin, supporting glow and elasticity. 6. Lower blood pressure. Oxytocin and relaxation help regulate blood pressure. Sex is not just an emotional experience, it is a whole-body health event. The long-term benefits. Regular sexual activity is associated with lower risk of heart disease, improved immune function, better mental health, reduced anxiety, lower depression rates, improved longevity, better relationship satisfaction, stronger cognitive function, healthier hormone balance. Sex is not a luxury. It is a biological maintenance tool. Let's be clear. Sex is one of the most misunderstood health behaviors. It is not just pleasure. It is not just intimacy. It is not just reproduction. It is a biological superpower that affects nearly every system in your body. Your heart, your brain, your hormones, your immune system, your mood, your sleep, your long-term health, your relationships. Sex is a full-body experience designed by evolution to keep humans healthy, connected, and resilient. Use it wisely, respect it, and understand that behind the emotion and behind the cultural noise lies one of the most powerful health tools your body has ever created. If you enjoyed this video, check out the videos in our health series.